Hello, Datuk Sri Anwar. I wanted to post this video clip to your chat show on YouTube. It's Borak Bersama Cakap Anwar or something like that. Anyway, I do not know how to do it, so I'm posting this on my channel in Facebook, Yap Chong Yi, and I hope that this clip will get to your show. My question to you is this: the courts, the public is generally known to the public in Malaysia that the judiciary in Malaysia is corrupt, incompetent, and do not know the law. Now my question to you is this: will Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim, will your government, if you come into government in this 13th general election, will you initiate criminal prosecution against judges who openly and evidenced by cases that they have decided in conducted themselves in a manner that mandates their criminal prosecution under the penal code? I mean by that, by the sections 160, section 217, section 218, and section 219, where the misconduct of a judge mandates his criminal prosecution with imprisonment up to a maximum of 7 years. I've read through this and I have discussed these issues on my Facebook video clips. That is my first point. My second point is this: the decision made against me by the Court of Appeal, where they awarded to the plaintiff $640,000 in damages and costs against me for defamation. I have decided not to appeal to the Apex Court, although if I appeal to the Apex Court, I am sure to win. Because, why? Because the judges at the Court of Appeal did not have my defense before them at all. The issue is this: Judge Zabaria found that the passage complained about by the plaintiff did not refer to them. Therefore, there was no defense required, because the passage, the alleged defamation, did not refer to them. It referred to Judge Zainun binti Muhammad Ali. So, on that count, 2 points will advantage you and Datuk Sri Jamaluddin. Number 1, the plaintiff is not required to prove that he suffered damages. Number 2, the second issue is this: that in the award of damages, the plaintiff did not prove the quantum of damages that he is entitled to. So there are two issues decided by the Court of Appeal wrongly, if I may say so, and I have decided not to appeal because my decision is now binding authority on the Court of First Instance and the Court of Appeal. And to that extent, I am foregoing $120,000 in costs by not pursuing my appeal. I want all the people who are suing UMNO. I read today that Mr. What Singh is he? Kapal Singh, Mr. Kapal Singh has indicated that he will sue Nasharuddin. And yesterday I read that Mr. Kuravalan is intending to sue Straits Times or Utusan Melayu, and Jamaluddin and Dato' Sri Anwar all are suing UMNO in actual fact, because these are UMNO companies and they have sued them. And I'm very glad that I have not withdrawn my or decided against withdrawing my appeal to the apex court. I can't anyway. My counsel withdrew my appeal to the apex court immediately on my instruction, so that's gone. That doesn't matter, although I did regret a bit. Losing 120,000 ringgit for a retiree is a very painful process, but let's hope that my sacrifice will benefit Dato' Sri Anwar, Dato' Sri Jamaluddin, Mr. Kapal Singh, Mr. Guru Valan, or whatever his name is, I don't know. I mean, there are a few others as well. So I hope that you will all benefit from my small sacrifice of 120,000 ringgit. Thank you very much. I want to again repeat my question. Will the government of Dato' Sri Anwar, when you come into office, which I'm sure you will, unless UMNO pull another dirty trick like May 13, 1969 and suspend the constitution, unless that happens, you will definitely come into government. And my question is, when you come into government, will you prosecute those judges who have conducted themselves in a manner that mandates their criminal prosecution under the provisions of the penal code? Thank you very much.